Okay, let's complete the statistics review total. In the statistics, two data will be there. One is inclusive data, one is exclusive data. If you select the two classes like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29 at the same time, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. If you are selecting the two consecutive classes, first class last value is not equal to next class first value, then it is going to be inclusive data. In the inclusive data, if you are selecting the two consecutive classes, first class last value, next class first value are not equal, that is going to be inclusive classes. If you are selecting the two consecutive classes, first class last value, next class first value are equal, then it is going to be a exclusive data. And by using that data, we will be finding the three measurements. One will be mean, mode, and as well as the median. Let's go to one by one. If you are given with the two methods, direct method, deviation method, step deviation method. Let's write the formulas. First, direct method for finding the mean. Number one, x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is your direct method. And the second one, deviation method. X bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. And third formula, step deviation method. X bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. These are the mean formulas. And when you go to the median, you have only one formula, that is median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. N stands for sum of the frequency, C is the cumulative frequency of the next previous class, and f is the frequency of the selected class, h for the height of the class, L for the lower boundary. And next, mode. What is a mode? Mode is equals to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. And f0 is going to be the preceding class of the selected, f1 is the selected class, f2 is the next class of the selected class, L for the lower boundary. And these are the formulas will be, if you are writing the formula, you will be getting 2 or 4 marks according to the question paper. Definitely you will ask to write only the formula first. And remember, this is all the formulas which are given for only the group data, like which are divided into the classes. If it is not divided into the classes, say it as a raw data. For purpose of raw data, average of the data is known as the mean. Means sum of the observations by number of the observations. If go for the median, median in the sense middle term. If it is a raw data is given, you need to arrange them ascending order or descending order, and if the number of observation is going to be even, you will be having the two median term n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. If n is odd number, there will be only one median term, that is n plus 1 by 2. So, for example, if you have getting the 6 and 7 are the median terms, median values, then you need to find the average of 6 and 7, then it is going to be a median. But if you are having the number of observations odd, you will be having only one median term. But condition is, before using this formula, they must be arranged either ascending order or descending order, smallest value to biggest value or biggest value to smallest value. And in case of the mode, what is the value which is repeated maximum times, that value is going to be a mode. The value which is repeated maximum times, that can be known as the mode. If two values are repeated maximum, mode is going to be two terms. Don't find the average of them. In the median MO, if you are getting the two terms, you are finding their average. But in the mode, how many values are repeated maximum? Those values are going to be mode. Right? And let's work with a group values. If he did not mention any kind of the method, you can use any method, whatever you feel. Let's write with 1, 1, 1. See, 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, bubbly, 24 to 28, 8, 7, 11, 2, 3, 5, 1. And this is class interval and this is frequency. Let's find all the three methods: direct method, step deviation method, and assuming deviation method. First one, if you wanted to use the direct method, I am using the direct method. What to do direct method? Let's find out the first of all xi. Xi stands for class mark. What to do? 0 plus 4 by 2. 0 plus 4 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 this is what, Nana? 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 by 2 means 6. So go on increasing 6, 4, 4, 4. 10, 14, 18. 22 and 26. Because the class difference is going to be 4. So then you keep on increasing the 4. And what do we find? Fi xi, 8 2s are 16, 7 6 are 42, 11 10s are 110, 2 14s are 28, 3 18s are 54, 5 22s are 110 and 26 ones are 26. Now what to do? Sigma Fi means sum of the frequency. 8 plus 7 15, 25, 26, 28, 31, 36, 37. Am I right? 8 plus 7, 15, 25, 26, 28, 31, 31 plus 5, 36, 36 plus 1, 37. And here sigma Fi xi. Now let's work with 6 plus 0, 0, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 0, 0, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6, 28, 4, 5, 10,
26. 26.
come again,
20 plus 6 is 26.
6 plus 4, 10, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6,
26.
okay, so 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 1 plus 1, 2,
18. Carry on.
2 plus 1, 3, this is all, acha, 26 is there now, okay, fine, sorry, so carry forward we missed it. So 2 plus 1, 3, 8, 10, 11, 15, 16 plus 2, 18. So 1 balance. So take it as a 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Is that done? 386. So your x bar is equals to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi how much, Nana? 386. How much it is given? 37. Let's cancel with the decimal value. 37 ones are 37. 1 balance. So you got it as a 16. So put it a point at 0. Right? Now you got as a 16. 16.160. 37 2s are 37 3s are 37 4s are 37 5s are, check it. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15 plus 8 is not possible. So you already got it as a 4. Check it. 37 4 the 7 4 the 28 4 the 148 is fine. So your mean is going to be 10.4. This is in direct method. See, among the methods, direct method little complicated, but when to use the direct method? See, if the class differences are not same, like here 4, here 10, here 20, here 30, here class differences are not fixed, then use the direct method. If class differences are fixed, use deviation method or step deviation method. I suggest everyone, if we did not mention any kind of the method, and if the differences are same, then use the step deviation method. That's the easiest way that you can do. Direct method is helpful when it is given the class differences are not fixed. Some like here everywhere you got as a 4 difference, but sometimes you may get the 4 4 10 10 15 15 20 20, so that you cannot take the h value fixed, so that you go for the direct method. Same question let's do with deviation method. What we got the answer here? 10 point. Okay, so now we are using the deviation method. So in the deviation method, these all same. Class interval frequency will be given in the question, and XIMO you need to find out that. Next DI. DI is equals to XI minus A, small a, capital, that is your choice. Now among the frequencies, which is the highest? 11 is the highest. Draw it, say it as a. Right? Now, what we do here? 0. What is the answer? Xi minus A. Xi minus what is 6 minus 10? Minus 4, 2 minus 10, minus 8. Come down. You will be having the 4, 8, 12, 16. You will get the same. How it is possible, sir? 14 minus 10, 4, 18 minus 10, 8, 22 minus 10, 12, 26 minus 10, 16. Okay, now what do we do, sir? Fi di. 8 into 8 minus 64, 7 into 4 minus 28, 11 into 0, 0, 2 4s are 8, 3 8s are 24, 5 12s are 60, 16 1s are 16. Here what shall we do? Sigma Fi di, sigma or summation, mean addition. Here already some value 37. Come back to here. 8 plus, you got a small value, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry forward, 3 plus 6, 9, how much you got, Nana? Minus 92, sum of the negative values. Come to this, say 76, 80, 100, 108, am I right? 8, 60 plus 16, 76, 76 plus 4, 80, 80 plus 20, 100, 100 plus 8, 108, so you got as a plus 108. How much answer remain? There 8, here 8, 16. Is that correct or no?
Yes.
See, 108 minus 92, borrow 16. So, your answer is going to be here 16. Is that done? No, the tabular formula is done. Then what to do? X bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. What is A, Nana? 10 plus sigma Fi di 16 by 37. As you know already, 16 never be divisible by 37 directly. So cross it 0 point as usually 4, because it becomes 160, 37 4s that you can take. So how much answer you got? 10.4. Sir, I want to take the next decimal, so that is your choice. Not compulsory to take only one. You can take the 2 or 3. Depends on your choice. And same question, let's do with the step deviation method. Method is different, but answer remains same. Step deviation method. So let's erase this so that it will be clear. In the step deviation method also, xi is same till. Now what do we do here? Xi is there. Uy is equals to xi minus a by h. You should write over there. But I give you a simple trick. Instead of substituting the formula, put directly 0 where you are selected. And to the top surface, you can take it as a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and the bottom plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So here you minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, what will be there? Fi ui, 8 2s are minus 16, 7 1s are minus 7, it's a 0, 2, 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 4 1s are 4, sigma Fi ui. What balance is 7 8 twos are 16, 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, 5 threes are 15, 1 fours are 4. So how much are getting here? Minus 23. And here 6 plus 4, 10. How much are you getting? 20. So your answer is
4.
okay. So now formula x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. What is your a? 10 plus. What is your fi ui? 4. What is fi? 37. What is this? 10. So 10 plus 4 fours are 16 by 7. Again same. What will come? 0.4. So 10.4. All the three methods. Try to concentrate on the method, not on the question. These are all the three methods for mean. And remember, direct method only useful when differences are not fixed. If differences are fixed, try to find out by using the step deviation method. He 99% he won't mention to do in particular method, but he mentioned to do the particular method. You should do only that method, not any other method. Even if you get an answer correct without doing his mentioned method, your answers will be wrong. They don't correct it first of all because they clearly mentioned in the question to do that method. And the same question, let's try for median. And remember one more condition I forgot to tell you. To find out the mean, you are not supposed to concentrate whether it is inclusive data, whether it is a exclusive data. Whatever it may be, you can do the mean. But for median, that should be exclusive data. For median, that should be exclusive data. In the sense, continuous method, continuous data, non-continuous data, discontinuous data. Inclusive data in the sense discontinuous data. Exclusive continuous data. For sake of mode, for sake of median, compulsorily that should be in the exclusive data. Remember, let's feel, for example, a question is given like this: 2 to 4, 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13. Something is given like this. Already you are clear this is not a exclusive data because last value, first values are not equal. So how do you convert a inclusive data to exclusive data? Simple. For all these values, put it as a -5. For all these values, put it as a plus 0.5. So what? Let's try. 1.5. How much you get, Nana? 4.5. And here how much you get? 4.5. And here how much you get? 7.5. And here? And here? That's wonderful. Here? And here? Now it is in the exclusive data. Simple technique. To convert the inclusive to the exclusive, for all the first values, make it as a -5. For all the last value, make it as a plus 0.5. It's a class factor, it is called. Okay. But already it is an exclusive or inclusive. It's already in the exclusive. Now we are trying to find median. For median, you need to make it as a cumulative frequency, that is CF. For sake of mean, we will be making the more 3 extra columns than question. For median, we will be making only 1 extra column rather than the question. In the question, 2 columns will be given. You are making as a 3rd column, that is cumulative frequency. Let's see, as usual, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 11, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 31 plus 5, 36, 36 plus 1, 37. Right? Now again you need to select the highest frequency. This is the one. And say it as a F, say it as a CF. And what is L, sir? This is your L, lower boundary. In exclusive data, there are boundaries. Inclusive data, there are limits. Exclusive data, lower boundary, upper boundary. In the inclusive data, lower limit, upper limit. Remember this. Now you made a tabular form here. Now let's write the formula. Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into what, Nana? H. What is your L?
8.
8 plus N by 2. N by 2 in the sense what, Nana? 37 by 2 means sum of the frequency by 2. What is your cumulative frequency?
50.
What is your frequency?
11.
What is your height?
4.
Right. So 8 plus 37 half, 18.5. 18.5 because 8 into the 36. So 18.5. So 18.5 minus 15 by 11 into, by 11 into 4. So say it as the 8 plus 18.5 minus 3.5. 3.5 into 4. 3.5 into 4 by what, Nana? 11. 8 plus 5 4s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 1 4. So you got as a 14.0 by what, Nana? 11. Let's try approximately. 8 plus 14 by 11. 11 ones are 11. Balance is 3. So put it a point. 30. So 30 in the sense 11 twos are 22. So you got as a 1.2. So 8 plus 1.2. 9.2 approximately you can write because you're not taking total values. Just you mention as a 9.2 approximately. Is that clear, everyone? For making this form, you will be getting half mark, and for writing the formula 1 mark, and rest of marks for simplification and substitutions. This is median. Just one more column you made extra. And same question, let's work for mode. And in the mode, for sake of mean, you made 3 columns extra. For sake of median, you made 1 column extra, that is it. For sake of mode, no need to make any extra column. Take the question as usual, right? Now, but remember, I suggest, if it is inclusive data, turn into exclusive data. If not, sir, I don't want to convert entire data into inclusive, sir. Okay, no problem, you leave it. So, but what should we do? Which is you have selected? Just subtract 0.5 to that value. If a question is given in inclusive data, to use the formula of mode and median after the selection from the lower limit, just to subtract 0.5. For example, 8 is given, it is in inclusive. What to do? 0.5 subtraction. So becomes as a 7.5. No need to convert entire data. Just to turn this value. But 99.999% he will be given exclusive. But you should also do odd way also. Means if it is not given, what to do? Nothing, just selected value from that 0.5 subtraction. Okay, what will we do here? Selection is this. Okay, F0, F1, F2. Right? Now formula what, Nana? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into what, Nana? H. What is your L? 8. F1 minus F0 and 11 minus 7. 2F1. 2F1 is what, Nana? 22. Minus F0. 7 minus 2 into 4. Am I right? So 8 plus 11 minus 7. 4. 4 4s are 16. 7 minus 2. 9. 22 minus 9. 22 minus 9.
30.
How much you get? 13. Shall again, you can do LCM and do, but better to turn into the decimals. Shall we? 13 ones are 13, balance is 3. Put a point. 30. So 30 in the sense 13 2s and 13 3s are not possible. So 2. Am I right or not? So 8 plus 1.2. How much you get, Nana? Approximately, because you did not take total values. This is finding the mode. Formula is important, at the same time all the 3 methods. And there are the 2 spectral flow methods. Unknown variables are given by mean, unknown variables are given by median. We'll continue the 2 methods also. See, one question is given like this. Class interval frequency 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25, 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. Purpose of giving this is giving mean 18. This is the data you have now. You need to find out the measured frequency. Continue your methods. Talk about the mean. What method shall we do, sir? Either deviation or step deviation, as your choice. Deviation or step deviation. Let's take the step deviation method. So you need to find out the xi. 11 plus 13, 24. 24 by 2 means what, Nana? 12. So I have to go on increasing to 2. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Right? Next, what are the next? A ui is equals to xi minus a by h. Now selected frequency what are 13. Among them f is unknown. So among the given values 13 is the highest. So next make it as 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Your regular method what I have done so far. Next f into 20 f, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Next, what will we take? Fi ui. 7 3s are 21, 6 2s are 12, 9 1s are 9, 13 into 0, 0, f into 1, f, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. Now come back to here. So you can find it out. Sigma Fi is equal to 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22, 32, 35, 40, 44. So 44 plus F. I'll come back to here. 21, 30, 42. You got as a minus 42. Here 22. So you got what, Nana? Minus 20 plus F. Okay. Now this is fine. So usually mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. This is your formula. But mean how much is given? 18. What is your A value? This is your A. Okay. So say it as a 18. Sigma Fi ui. How much, Nana? Minus 20 plus F. What is sigma Fi? 44 plus F. What is your h? 2. Okay. Next step. 18 minus 18 is equals to minus 20 plus f into 2 by 44 plus f. 18 minus 18, 0. And transforming this here, all becomes 0. So what will be there? Minus 20 plus f into 2. Again transforming the 2 this side, everything is 0. 0 is equal to minus 20 plus f. F is equal to what, Nana? 20, because minus 20 comes to the next side, becomes plus 20. This is finding the unknown value by using the mean method. And one more method is there, finding the unknown value by using the median, like x and y value. See, class interval frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 5, x, 20, 15, y, 5. And now what he is giving? median is equals to 28.5 and the n is equals to 16, and this is total number of observations. This is what he gave you. Now start your method as usual. For median purpose, what will we do? Cumulative frequency. Now 5 plus x, 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y. Next 45 plus x plus y. Okay, this is what you have. Among this, what is the highest? So draw, and this is your L, and this is your. Now your table is done. Do step by step. He given n is equals to, what is your n but here? 45. This total is going to be 45 plus x plus y. So write it here. 45 plus x plus so 60. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. So x plus y value what Nana? 15. You put it aside. Now apply your formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. What is the median, Nana? 28.5. What is your L? 20. What is your n by 2? 60 by 2. That is 30. Okay. What is your CF? 5 plus X. What is your F? 20. What is your height? Okay. Now 10 ones are 10 twos are. 20 comes this way and becomes 8.5 because 28.5 minus 20 becomes 8.5. So what you usually have? 30 minus 5. 25 minus x by 2. 2 into 8.5, how much? 17. So 17 is equal to 25 minus x. X is equals to 25 minus 17. That is equal to what, Nana? 8. Substitute here. 8 plus y is equal to how much? You can write here from 1. So y is equal to 15 minus 8. How much, Nana? 7. So these are the two questions. Unknown values. Unknown values finding. That is by using the mean method. This is by using the median method. This is one part of your statistics. And the other part is how do you convert the data into the cumulative frequency, like less than cumulative frequency distribution or greater than cumulative frequency distribution. So based on the graphs will be drawn. Let's complete that too so that statistics will get over. Cumulative class interval and frequency. Say it as a 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Take the frequency 4, 5, 9, 11, 2, 3, something else. So this is the question is given. Asking to turn into less than cumulative frequency distribution or greater than cumulative frequency distribution. Let's do one by one. If you are doing LCF lesser than cumulative frequency, take the upper boundaries and LCF. If you are turning into JCF, so lower boundary GCF greater than cumulative frequency, less than type cumulative, less than type, greater than type. So you are taking upper boundary here, lower boundary. See upper boundary what are there, Anna? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And cumulative frequency as usual from top. 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18, 28, 29, 31, 34. Now, this is less than type distribution. Say it as less than type. Now turn the next greater than type. Lower boundaries you need to write. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All the lower boundaries. Now, what to do, sir? From bottom you add and cut, that's it. Here we added from top. Now you add that from bottom. So what is from bottom? 3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 11, 16 plus 9, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 4. Now enough. This is your greater than type or more than type. Less than type, greater than type is 0. Based on this, you need to draw the graph. He will be asking argues. Don't say as a curve, say it as a argues. Draw the less than type argue or greater than type argue or sometimes both. By using the graph, you need to find out the median. So let's see what to do. All the boundaries will be x-axis. That may be a lower boundary, that may be a greater boundary, upper boundary, and all the cumulative frequencies will be on y-axis. If you are drawing only this type of curve, these values on x-axis, these values on y-axis. If you are drawing only this type, these values on x-axis, these values are on y-axis. If he is asking both curves, what to do, sir? In the smallest, in the highest, based on the 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. And based on these two, you will be selecting choice like 5, 5 or 10, 10. Then you will be plotting the point, see how it will usually, for example, this here no negative values. Definitely you don't expect the negative value. So you make the graph like this. For example, this is your graph sheet and at most left corner, at most bottom. There always your cumulative will be like this. This is LCF type. And always greater than type will be like this. This is GCF type. And where do, if they are asking by using the both curve, where do they intersect? For example, they have intersect here. Okay, now whatever the value drawn down, this is going to be your median. On x-axis where it touches, that is going to be a median when two curves are given. Sir, where only one curve is given. Where only one curve is given, what to do, sir? As usual, you will be drawing the curve. See, for example, less than type or greater than type. First you draw the curve. So I am showing with LCF. This is LCF. Or else take the GCF also. And GCF around like this. Okay, what to do? First make it is n by 2. First make it is n by 2. N by 2 means sum of the frequencies by 2. From then you select it also on the here. For example, n by 2 you got as a 30. So say it as a 30. So from here draw a line. Where it touches the curve, from there you draw it. This is your median. Same as usual, n by 2. And draw a line which it touches, come down. This is your median. But if the both curves are given, you need not to do n by 2 because already they have intersected a common point. From that down you can draw a line. This is the way how to find out a median by using the graphs. And the last least more confusing method usually they are asking in exam. Sometimes question is given like this: less than 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165. Question is given like this. He is saying less than type. Okay, na? So here class intervals are not given properly. What to do, sir? So just make it first one as usual, na? So because you don't know how much it is going to be. Next onwards, just write 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 155 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165. That's enough. First one remains the same. Next onwards, just make the gap like this. Now, these kind of the questions, they don't ask about your less than type. They will ask about only the greater than type. Why?
One is different actually. Upper one is
Oh, less than type. Sorry, you will be asking only less than type, because if you are taking the greater than type, lower boundaries are equal, but here lower boundaries are not fixed. One is missing. So he will be asking the less than type distribution. Less than type distribution, you will be using only upper, so that these are enough. If these kind of questions are given, if you wanted to ask the graph, they will be asking about the less than type curve. So that you will be using the upper boundaries, only these boundaries will be used. Well, this question usually asked. Among the 10 papers, one paper it consists of questions like this. And this is clear cut picture about your statistics. Among your chapters, statistics is the highest weightage, and you, when they are having the two paper, two long questions are given. Nowadays, I think he may give the 5, 5, 10, as in paper has been changed. So 5 plus 5. For sake of writing formula, he will be giving 2 marks or 3 marks. Just to formula. That may be mean, median, mode. But usually they will ask median, mode, and explain all the terms are given in it. And stat is divided two parts. One is calculated part, one is graphical part. Calculated part is mean, median, mode, as what we discussed. And the second part is cumulative distributions like LCF, GCF, and their curves. This is a part 2 of statistics. If you are perfect in this, almost 30% you can cover the marks. So keeps on calculation to be best. So this is for your statistics. And in 1 mark questions, they will be asking like raw data, finding the mean, median, both. As I said, if he is giving raw data, just what do we do? Average of them, means sum of the observations by number of the observations. If it is given mean, first arrange them in ascending order or descending order, then find them as either n is equal to even or odd. N is equal to even, 2 terms, n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. N is odd number, only one median term, that is n plus 1 by 2. If mode, what do we do? All the values are, so I mean, no need to arrange order, ascending or descending order, which is repeated maximum times, that is going to be your mode. This is for raw data, means ungrouped data, say it. So this is your statistics.